Hi everybody, welcome in. This is 10 things you need to know about obsidian. Obsidian typically comes in black, but there are other colors of obsidian as well. There is golden sheen obsidian. This one has a golden sheen to it there. There's also silver sheen obsidian. You can see that silver sheen right there. There's also mahogany obsidian, which is typically a more mahogany reddish color with black spots on it. There's snowflake obsidian, which is black with white spots on it. There's velvet obsidian. There's rainbow obsidian. For our purposes today, I'm mostly going to be talking to you about black obsidian right here. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a part of our magical community. Obsidian comes from Mexico. That is where we get most of our obsidian material here at Sage Goddess. Also is found in Arizona and Peru, and is one of the few stones that actually is mined in the United States. On the Mohs hardness scale, obsidian is a 5 to a 5.5. As you may know, the hardest stone on the Mohs hardness scale is a 10, and that is the diamond. So this is right in the end, in the middle. It is a fairly brittle material. And it's brittle because obsidian is actually lavic glass. This is not a crystal. It's not a stone. It is caused by lava hardening and becoming glass. And that is why it's so brittle. It's also why it's so sharp. In ancient cultures, they used this as they carved it into knives. It is fine in water. It won't dissolve or anything like that. Typically, glass is fine in water. It is amorphous as far as the crystal system. So this is not a crystal. It does not have an identifiable structure because it is glass. So it is classified as amorphous in the crystal structure system. It corresponds with the earth star and root chakras. So the earth star chakra is what connects you deep to the roots within the earth, your ancestors and ancient knowledge. Your root chakra is what keeps you feeling safe and protected. So this is a very, very grounding and protecting stone. It's also purifying. It corresponds with the astrological signs Scorpio and Capricorn. What are the properties? I just went over a couple of them, but generally obsidian is protective, powerful, and cleansing. It's a source of comfort during times of mourning and letting go, healing tears in the auric field. It heals the body, mind, and spirit. Heals sacred space and prevents psychic attack. When I say this is a protective stone, I mean it in every sense in the word, but particularly psychically and in your personal space. This cleanses any energy that you don't want in your personal space, and it also helps you cut ties or narrow cords to energy that you no longer want to be connected with. It is very powerful in that way. The Aztecs believed it was fire in stone form and that it could clear any energy from your body, mind, or field. And that is how we still work with it today here at Sage Goddess. How do you use it? That's a question we typically get a lot when we're talking about these different crystals. Obsidian can be used in the home, at the office, or carried through everyday life for powerful protection, providing comfort and preventing psychic attacks. It's protective against mental or spiritual psychic attacks. I've said that a couple times. What is a psychic attack? A psychic attack is when someone is sending negative energy to you and therefore draining your own energetic field or your own force. So this is very useful against that, and against kind of, I like to think of it as it kind of puts a little bubble around your entire person and auric field. Obsidian is available on sagegoddess.com. So if you are looking for something purifying, protecting, and will help keep you free from negative energy and attacks, obsidian is the stone for you. And it's available now on sagegoddess.com. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a part of our magical community. Bye!